So I got these pruning shears just a few minutes ago. These are Votrek and a full lifetime warranty with lock and unlock here, adjustable size here. But instead of talking about them here inside, why don't we go outside and cut something? That's where the reality lies on. And I like this lanyard because I can put it around my hand. So let me do that. Okay, so while I walk towards the trees that I'm gonna find, this is the lock and unlock. Put it back in, and the size. This is full open right now. Close it and bring this down. And this is, as you see, half of the size we just saw. And that's what it's actually meant to do. Full size, half size. So you don't need to fully open if you're cutting something small. For example, like this bamboo right here. You don't need to fully open them. You just do like this. Boom. And done. It is that easy to actually do this job. And don't worry about it. These plants here all need to actually be cleaned anyway. So let's whoa, these things are actually fast. They're very sharp. But let me cut something just a little bit wider than just these tiny ones, just to see what happens if we go, for example, against this bamboo here. Oh yeah. Boom, it cut it. They're not meant for bamboos, but I like to test things. So let's go cut some of these that I need to clean anyway. Boom, oh yeah. They snap quick. And you just lock it like that. And when you lock them, you can just let them go. They'll stay in your hand while you work other stuff or move branches around. Then grab them again and go on cutting. These are actually very nice, very light, the spring. Whether you put it on the small size or on the full open size. Really, really nice actually. I would say I'm having fun right now. And yes, this cardboard is an actual real thing. And if you know, you know. But here, for example, is something else. Boom. That needs to be cut anyway. These are pruning shears and not chainsaw, so be mindful of what you're cutting. And now let's go cut something maybe a little bit thicker. Say something like this. At least, ooh, oh yeah. Let me see this part here. Nice. How about this part here? Nice. Cut even the big branch if you want to. That actually came off clean. And look at that. I can get rid of these. And I'm intentionally not cutting good trees and plants because it's not pruning time yet. But look at that. Like it's nothing. Cool. I would say these are definitely a winner. I like them. Let me see on the short distance one. Oh yeah. Not even a problem at all.